Welcome to Kashmir University Video Digest Quest. First a look at the highlights. Kashmir University wins IIPA Annual Debating Competition. Medical awareness cum screening camp organized for KU employees. And Allama Iqbal Library releases Bashir Marazi's book. Now the details of these events with your host Arabia Altaf. Department of Students' Welfare, in collaboration with Indian Institute of Public Administration, organized the annual debate competition. The debate competition was held in the Gandhi Bhavan auditorium, during which students from various colleges and universities participated. The topic for the day-long debate was information technology has adversely affected the reading, writing and retention capabilities of youth.
It is not a problem whether machines think. It's not the problem with information technology, but the use, how we use it. Do we use it productively, judiciously, or we are just doing crap with information technology?
People have to understand that text language came into being just as a time-saving expedient, and there is no space for it in formal writing. We all know that the employer will immediately throw away anything that arrives on his desk using these slangs and shortcuts.
Why is that we pity today's youth for not having real childhood? A one which included reading out of colorful storybooks, turning pages, coloring with an actual crayon and paintbrush, and running around gardens, memorizing names of flowers and colors? Is it not because of information technology? I believe yes, it is.
Now that technology is becoming so universal, we, a society which is so afraid to change, which just does not want to move beyond the usual concepts of the comfort of our homes and the comfort of things known to us, we want to rationalize its impact. We want to rationalize how adverse the effects of technology are.
But today, IT has made reading and writing more attractive and easy. How? By the use of multimedia. A person, a child, a student can read and write with the help of graphics, image, audio, video, which helps him to keep his attention and attraction towards his studies or any field which he wants to.
The biggest myth in favor of information technology is that since students are motivated by technology, they learn better when they use it. On the face of it, the statement seems to be quite tenable. But the assumption that any increased motivation and engagement leads to better learning is in itself faulty.
Kashmir University bagged the first prize in the annual IIPA DSW debate competition. Around 26 participants took part in the debating competition, in which Tabinda Wani and Sadaf Zehra of Social Work Department won the first prize as a team, while as Arbina Hamid, Zubair Ahmed and Ehsanullah secured first, second and third positions respectively. Speaking on the valedictory function, Dean, Students' Welfare, Professor Nilofer Khan told students that important thing is not to win but to participate in the competition.
I must say that this is a very important and prestigious debate competition being held in collaboration with IIPA and DSW. Since 1980s we have been organizing this particular debate tournament. As you know that literary activity is a very important activity of our Department of Students' Welfare. Always whatever competition we organize, many of students come and they participate. In order to organize these activities is very important, and not only academics is important but also extracurricular activities which are there to improve the personality development of students. I am sure that today's debate also is going to be a very important debate, very informative.
Director Seminars IIPA Professor S.M. Afzal Qadri opined that the need of the hour is to channelize the talent of youth in a proper way.
The basic object of this debate is twofold. One, to inform our community that we youngsters who are staying here in this hall, they are concerned about the problems of the society and they know how to deal with those problems. Number one. Number two, to encourage our students to come to this dais and speak before the audience. I am proud that I have, during these debating competitions, I have heard students who are now not only the best debaters of the state, but they have taken the key positions in the state administration in various university administrations and other places. But had this chance not been given to them by the University of Kashmir and by the IIPA jointly, this would have not been possible. Our effort from the IIPA is to take it further and see that this debate is not a ritual, but it gives some meaning and some meaningful thoughts to our students.
Director Tourism, Mr. Talat Parvez, told students that participating in the debate competition helps to understand things and form a balanced opinion about them.
Such platforms provide opportunity for people to express their opinion and come to dais and speak about the things they perceive the right way or the other way or the counter way. The arguments in favor of the motion and arguments against the motion itself is an awareness, itself is an opinion generation, and the people who debate and people who listen to these arguments make opinions further.
District Development Commissioner Srinagar, Mr. Farooq Ahmed Shah, asked students to maintain a balance between what to surf on net and what to read online.
ہم نے اپنے بچوں کو جو ہم نہیں دیکھتے ہیں کہ جب وہ شام کو اپنے رومز میں بیٹھتے ہیں کیا کر رہے ہیں وہ. لہذا اس میں جو ہے society as a whole we have to think on these issues, the minus points of the information technology. Although آج کے دور میں جہاں طلعت صاحب نے بات کی کہ یہ بہت ہی ضروری ہے ہمارے جو ہے ڈیولپمنٹ کے لیے, لیکن ڈیولپمنٹ کے ساتھ ساتھ ہمیں ان چیزوں کی طرف جو ہے خصوصی توجہ دینی, خاص کر پیرنٹس کی یہ ذمہ داری ہے کہ وہ اپنے بچوں کو ٹوٹلی مانیٹر کریں. یس, اگر وائی فائی گھر میں لگا ہے یا ان کو موبائل فون ہے تو کائنڈلی اس میں ہمارے پیرنٹس کی کافی جو ہے ان کی ذمہ داری ہے کہ بچوں کو دیکھ لیں.
Uzair Nisar, liaison officer and reporter of the debating competition, presented a brief report about the event.
How excessive use of such applications and other multitasking activities while you're online distracts your attention and retention capabilities and gives rise to anxiety, exasperation and fatigue. We also witnessed how environmental aspect and issues were touched by some of the participants in the presentation. On one side, we had participants quoting figures every year like 4 billion trees are cut down for manufacturing the paper and argued that if IT inputs are preferred or use of paper, at least we can spare the nature and have a better green environment around us. But again here, friends, we had counter arguments.
Vice Chancellor, Central University of Kashmir, Professor Mirajuddin, advised students that they should use technology judiciously.
The aatch fayde tiki, aatch noksan tiki. Magar you toy panas wuchun ki is kit pat karo at istemal. It's a hakikat. Aisa ka argument vanit am sit char memory retain roza. Yes paran kitab pari tu dialect. Toy bas ka cheez jaan mumkin chu ye ki tu repeat karit. Magar agar tu netas pat wuchiv ka cheez me chunu basan bwan panun toy ma is extraordinary memory I hekne bu pat repeat karit kin yotani ba at sit lek. Beçüz biak cheez mumkes eskis doras maz ti panien student bar bar nasihat karan tara at sit este note banawa agar net pathe tuliu imat karto print out I must im to aam point chi basan im karto tu note it put is bront is karan.
Vice Chancellor, University of Kashmir, Professor Khurshid Iqbal Andrabi, who was chief guest on the occasion while praising DSW for their efforts, said that such kind of intellectual debates spur him.
I must at the outset extend my fullest gratitude to IIPA, who have somehow had this tradition of collaborating with our worthy Dean Students' Welfare, who is undoubtedly the most vibrant lady around and keeps our academic programs or the face of the university very vibrant. I must endorse the viewpoint of Professor Qadri Sahab that we are at her service, we are at her beck and call. She has to tell us exactly what we want her, what she requires will be always there for her. I am so very happy to know that this was a debating function. I have said this before also, that it always gives me a kick because I perhaps myself was a debater and always want to jump in these kind of intellectual discourses.
Cultural Officer Mr. Shahid Ali Khan conducted the proceedings of the function. Directorate of Lifelong Learning, in collaboration with Department of Endocrinology, AIIMS, New Delhi, Department of Gastroenterology, SKIMS, Srinagar, and Department of Clinical Biochemistry organized a medical awareness and screening camp. The camp was held for the employees of Kashmir University at Gandhi Bhavan. The camp was in tune with the series of such programs organized by the DLL to raise the awareness level among the masses. The camp also provided medicines and diagnostic testing for USG, blood glucose, thyroid, etc. for the patients. Later speaking to the Quest team, Director DLL, Dr. G.H. Mir said that organized such camps are must as they play a significant role in the awareness of various health-related issues.
So far as the Awareness Generation Camp on medical awareness is concerned, today's camp is in line with the series of medical awareness camp that has been conducted by the department in collaboration with All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, and Sikkim Saura, Srinagar, and Department of Clinical Biochemistry, University of Kashmir, on the campus at Gandhi Bhavan. And this is unique of its nature and has been conducted for the first time on the campus itself. Objective that we are spending huge amount on purchase of clothes, on constructing buildings, and so many other things, but we are least bothered about our own health. Taking this thing into mind, this was taken into account, and we have discussed this issue with the collaborating agencies who were happy enough to collaborate on this very important issue. So far, 300 to 500 people have been, their medical checkup has been conducted.
Endocrinologist Dr. Muhammad Ashraf Ganai and Dr. Sobia, while sharing their views, said that the sedentary lifestyle of the valley people has made them prone to many kinds of disorders, and this camp will help them in reclaiming their healthy habits.
यहाँ पे लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज जैसे ओबेसिटी, डायबिटीज़ बहुत कॉमन है, खासकर हमारे बच्चे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनमें लड़कियों में पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवरी सिंड्रोम एंड ओबेसिटी बढ़ रही है यहाँ पे, और विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी है, यहाँ थायराइड की प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा है, डायबिटीज़ की प्रॉब्लम है। इसको मद्देनजर रख के हमने कहा कि यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स और स्टाफ को पहले हम अवेयरनेस दें, यानी इसकी जानकारी दें, और जितना हो सके जैसे थायराइड और शुगर या बेसिक लिपिड प्रोफाइल जो टेस्ट हो जाए वो कर लें। जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को हम करें, अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम निकलेगी उसको हम इलाज करेंगे।
ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे एक तबका, एक स्पेसिफिक, एक एजुकेटेड ग्रुप हम एड्रेस कर सकते हैं। हमने इसलिए चुना क्योंकि वंस वी एजुकेट दीज पीपल अबाउट आवर प्रॉब्लम्स एंड अबाउट आवर हेल्थ इश्यूज, सो वी आर इन अ होप कि ऐसा क्लास है जो बाकी लोगों को एजुकेट करे, द कम्युनिटीज़ दे बिलोंग टू, जहाँ से भी ये आए हैं, जिस ग्रुप से आए हैं, एटलीस्ट एक स्टूडेंट जिसको हमने इस टाइम काउंसलिंग की, ट्रीट किया या किसी बीमारी के बारे में बोला, at least we are in a hope that he will be able to educate 100 people in his community or in his the place where he belongs to.
Some participants of the camp also spoke on the occasion.
The basic agenda of the camp is to make people aware, to students, employees and everybody aware about the various metabolic disorders which are prevailing in the Kashmir Valley today, and make people aware about the causes, about the various consequences of these particular changes in the habit which tend to develop the metabolic syndrome and other associated diseases.
ये कैंप जो है हेल्थ अवेयरनेस कैंप है, इसमें हमने अवेयरनेस क्रिएट की है बहुत सारे मेटाबॉलिक सिंड्रोम्स के बारे में, थायराइड डिसऑर्डर्स के बारे में, और स्पेशली फीमेल डिसऑर्डर्स के बारे में इंक्लूडिंग पीसीओडी। और इसमें क्या था, इसमें हमने बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स को बुलाया था, जो भी पेशेंट्स थे उनको तो अवेयरनेस के साथ साथ उन्हें फ्री मेडिकल चेकअप भी किया गया, उनके सारे टेस्ट्स, थायराइड टेस्ट्स, उनका पूरा बायोकेमिकल पैरामीटर्स थे वो स्टडी किए गए, और उन सारे पेशेंट्स को जो है फ्री मेडिसिन भी प्रोवाइड किया गया, और उन सारे पेशेंट्स को जो है फॉलो अप पे रखा गया ताकि वो फ्यूचर में जो भी उन्हें प्रॉब्लम हो उनको अच्छा खासा ट्रीटमेंट जो है फराहम किया जा सके।
Allama Iqbal Library, in collaboration with Adabi Markaz Kamraz, organized a book release function of the author Bashir Marazi at the Ibn Khaldun Auditorium. Assistant Professor, Center of Sheikhul Alam Studies, Dr. Aziz Hajni, presented the welcome address.
زیادہ نقصان اگر اس وچھو شہرن ہندی حساب ہندوستانک یا بر صغیرک حالے کا شہر آسہ یم ییز بڑ تباہی آسہ سہلاب ست وچھمژ سہلابس مز گو اس مالک نقصان جانی نقصان تہ گو کم خاص تیوت گو یوت اندیش اس شکر تت مز اللہ تعالیٰ ات پہ کور اس واویلا کرن تہ پزِ اس ون سرکارس تہ اس گژھِ امداد اس ون رضاکار تنظیمن تہ اس گژھِ امداد مگر اکس چیزس کن گو سٹھا کم سون توجہ اس اسہ ثقافتی تو تمدنی اثاثہ ات مز ضائع گو اس گو میوزیمس مز تم چیز ات سہلابس مز ضائع یمن ہند کھانا بیش بہا اس گئی کلچرل اکیڈمی مز تچ ملل مخطوطات ات اندر ضائع یمن ہندِ قۭمتُک تُہۍ اندازہ ہیٚکِو نہٕ لگٲوِتھ مگر قومٕچ بحثی وٕچھِو کۭژاہ چھِ أسۍ کۭتیاہ بحث چھِ اَسہِ منٛز گوٚو نہٕ کٲنٛسہِ ہُنٛدُے توجہ.
Broadcaster Mr. Abdul Ahad Farhad reviewed the book on the stage.
روٗد سوال کِتابہِ خطِ ارشاد ناو آسنُک اتھ نسبت چھُ اِستِدا یُتُے زِ ییٚلہِ تہِ کانٛہہ حرفہِ حق رٔٹِتھ پیٖرٕ سٕنٛدِ فرموٗدٕ عمل کٔرِتھ پا بپا منزل زینان تو تس مقامس واتان چھُ ییٚتٮ۪ن عملہِ ہٕنٛز پۄختگی تہٕ تجربن ہٕنٛز مہارت مُشکان چھےٚ پیٖر مرشد چھُ شادمان سپدِتھ طٲلبس خطِ ارشاد عنایت کران چوٗنٛکہِ چھِ وارثی بشیٖر اعتراف کران زِ تِہنٛدِ وجوٗدُک رنٛگ تہٕ آہنٛگ چھُ تمہِ تربیت تہٕ صحبتُک حٲصِل یۄسہٕ تِمن فقیٖر شیخ غلام محمد چھژوٕلۍ سٕنٛدِ برکتہٕ نصیٖب سپٕز لہذا چھُ خطِ ارشادس واضح جواز. خطِ ارشاد چھُ کُلیات تِکیازِ اتھ منٛز چھُ سُہ کلامہٕ تہِ درج یُس امہِ برٛونٛہہ ورثہ وارث احسانِ وارث تہٕ بیٚیہِ عرفانِ وارث شعر سومرنہٕ منٛز چھاپ چھُ آمُت کرنہٕ تہٕ امہِ کلام منٛز چھُ کینٛژھا الیکٹرانک میڈیا دٔسۍ مختلف فنکارو تہِ پیش کوٚرمُت. خطِ ارشاد شعر سومرن چھےٚ رٕتہِ انمانہٕ آمٕژ ترتیٖب دِنہٕ گۄڈنِکۍ 32 صفہٕ چھِ ترتیٖب تعارُف تہٕ بیٚیہِ انتصابس وغٲرس پٮ۪ٹھ مشتمل ییٚلہِ زن برابر 554 صفن پٮ۪ٹھ وارثی بشیٖر مرٲج صٲبُن نوٚو تہٕ پرٛون کلامہٕ لیکھنہٕ چھُ آمُت.
Librarian Allama Iqbal Library Dr. A.M. Baba told people that university encourages every literary endeavor of the state.
Kashmir University Allama Iqbal Library تو ہمارا یہ مقصد ہے کہ جو بھی مصنف جیسے میراثی صاحب اور بھی جو دوسرے مصنف حضرات ہوتے ہیں کتابوں کا ریویو کرنا یہ تو ہمارا ایک ہمارے لائبریری کا ایک آبجیکٹو ہے. تو ہمیں پوری امید ہے کہ آپ کا تعاون ہمیشہ رہے گا ہمارے ساتھ. اور دوسرا ہمارا یہ بھی مقصد ہے جو اپنے اپنے فیلڈ میں چاہے سوشل سائنس ہو ہیومینٹیز ہو جن کی بھی کنٹریبیوشن ہے اپنے اپنے فیلڈ میں ان کو ہم بلائے جو ان کی نالج ہیں جس کو ہم کہتے ہیں ٹیسٹڈ نالج which is not available in their books or in their documents which we can use تہندٮ۪ن دٮ۪ماغن منٛز اگر أسۍ نِمون کانٛہہ elderly person نمت یا 95 وُہُر آسہِ وٕنکٮ۪ن تٔمِس آسہِ واریاہ نالیج أسۍ چھِ تِم بُلاوان تاکہِ أسۍ کَرو سُہ ایکسٹریکٹ تِہنٛز سۄ نالیج ڈِفرنٹ چاہے میڈِسن آسہِ فلسفہ آسہِ اقتصادیات آسہِ سُہ أسۍ چھِ کوٗشِش کران اقبال لایبرری سۄ نالیج تِمن سۄ ایکسٹریکٹ کرنس تاکہِ سٲنۍ فیوٗچر جنریشن چھِ تِہنٛزِ فٲیدٕ خٲطرٕ.
Justice retired B.A. Kirmani, speaking on the occasion, informed audience that the author of the book has taken brave departure from the rest.
یہ چھِ واریاہ حِسابو رِوایتس یعنی ٹرنڈ یتھ ونان چھِ تتھ اُلٹ پٔکمٕتۍ وارثی صٲب یہِ چھِ بڑٕ ہٮ۪متٕچ کٲم. اتھ چھُ یہِ کہِ ییٖژ بڑٕ ذخیٖم کِتاب 550 صفحہٕ کِتاب بناوٕنۍ پتہٕ ییٖژ بڑٕ خوٗبصوٗرتی سان ترتیٖب کرٕنۍ چھپٲے کرٕنۍ باقٕے چیٖز کرٕنۍ. دوٚیِم چیٖز أکِس تِتھِس موضوٗعس پٮ۪ٹھ یُس زن وٕنکیٚنس منٛز سانہِ خٲطرٕ خاص کر سانہِ نوِ نسلہٕ خٲطرٕ بالکل اجنبی موضوٗع اکھ چھُ. صوٗفی صوفیت صوفیانہٕ کلام تہٕ صوٗفی روایت یِم چھِ تِم لفظ یِم زن صرف یِمن علمِ مجلسن منٛز یِوان چھِ بولنہٕ نٮ۪بر سانہِ مجلسی تہٕ اجتمٲعی زندگی منٛز چھُنہٕ یِمن لفظن ہُنٛد کٕہٕنۍ مول وٕنکیٚنس. تتھ چھُ وجہ کہِ زٔمیٖنس پٮ۪ٹھ چھُ حٲوی وٕنکیٚنس تیُتھ اکھ تہذیٖب تیُتھ اکھ طور طریٖقہٕ یتھ منٛز نہٕ صوٗفیزم صوٗفیت خٲطرٕ کانٛہہ گُنجٲیشی چھِ. اتھ چھِ زندگی ہٕنٛز کشمکش تہِ ذمہٕ دار اتھ چھِ بدلیمٕتۍ حالات تہِ ذمہٕ دار اتھ چھُ دُنیہٕکۍ حالات اجتمٲعی طور تِم تہِ ذمہٕ دار. ساروی کھۄتہٕ زیادٕ ذمہٕ دار چھِ سٲنۍ پنٕنۍ غفلت سٲنۍ پنٕنۍ أنٛدر.
Professor Zaman Azurda opined that Sufism is of two types. One consists of doctrinal and other is practical. One should not mix them together.
Abu Sayyid Abul Khair Ami Vanan about Ibn Sina, what he says that I see. Yemis nazar mokj asan yemis achi yawa. Kuch falsafi karan baqaul akbar falsafi ko bahas ke andar khuda milta nahi, door ko suljha raha hai par sira milta nahi. Yine zı çiz, akçı doctrinal Sufis, akçı practicing Sufis. Yemi şehres andar tuy mutasavvifana anasir vıçı. Aynı tal ye conclude karan ki jo Sufi tinnik ki. Jo galiban vermut baraye şeir guftan kubas ya शायरी के लिए कुछ तसव्वुफ कुछ लुजूम लगा रखा है मगर चूंकि इससे फारसी निश मुतासर शब्द हम फारसी मज़ रिवायत ये में इस्तलाह आम पे गज़लुक मामलो इश्कुक मामलो ये अलामत हेकान इंसान जाहिर कर इजहार कर.
Author of the book, Mr. Bashir Mirazi, thanked everyone for their encouragement.
बचूस ये पन फर्ज समझान ज बकर वस वंजी शुक्रिया अदा अदबी मरकज कमराजुक अलामा इकबाल लाइब्रेरी हूँ तो कल्चर एकेडमी हूँ यमन त्रेन अहम अदारन हिंद अथवास सद आव ये तकरीब संस कर तो बचूस ये पन्ने बापत इज्जत अफजाई समझान बचूस खास पचन पन्न तिमन दोस्तन तो रफीकन हुंद शुक्रगुजार यम सठा तर आसन बावजूद योर आई.
Rashid Hafiz, along with his troupe, also rendered a song on the occasion.
Otum uşday, opan yemay, yaramşus. Vakit kesiti, otum uşday, opan yemay.
With this, we come to the end of our program. Mail us your suggestions at our email address, quest@emmrckashmir.com. Before I take your leave, here are few words of wisdom. Why do people have such a high regard for authors, even when they don't read? Why do they flock to literary festivals while sales of books fall?